video we have a pair of sneakers from Puma, that is the Puma Ferrari sneakers. So the style is as a Future Cat OG and the color is a black and black. So you can see it over here, black and black sneakers. The price over here is 8,000, but I paid this sneaker for about 2,600. Let's open it up. So these are the sneakers from Puma X Ferrari version shoes. So you can see it over here. These are the casual shoe with a formal touch. So the upper part of the sneaker is made up of leather and the outer material of the sole is the rubber. So over here we have a dotted texture and a Puma strip which is well stitched, and you have a branding which is this, the Puma black, wait a second, Puma which is black stitched, and this looks way cool which is white stitched Puma branding. Over here we have a 3-striped Italian printed flag and we have a Ferrari logo. Okay, so over here we have a barcode scanner of this shoe. We have an art number. This shoe is made in Indonesia and you have a size chart. This sneaker looks absolutely good when you wear a casual blazer or when you wear a casual taste like white shirt with the black trousers or a black shirt with the blue jeans, and it looks good when you ride a motorcycle or when you drive a car. And this is stunning and it is gorgeous. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching this video. Do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.